How to order on Tim Hortons. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the step-by-step process that you need to follow to order on Tim Hortons application. First and foremost, head over to Play Store or App Store to download the application Tim Hortons. If you have already downloaded the app, make sure it is in its latest version. Once that is done, open and launch the app to log in or sign up. Once that is done, you can tap on the selected country that you are in and then tap on the order section. From the order section, you can view different options. The app might also ask you for the permissions of notification and location. Make sure to allow permissions for the location access. Once that is done, choose the Tim Hortons location where you want to pick your order and then select Start Order option. Select on the nearest store from where you want to pick up and then search for the different kinds of options that you want to order. To check out with any item, make sure to add it to cart first. For this, you have to select the size and then the add to cart option. After that, you can head over to your cart and check out. But keep in mind, checking out will require you to log in and then you can check out with the payment method. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.